After children, I think you are ready for the class. Already, till yesterday we finished the lesson number 1, that is animals around us. Now today let us start the second lesson, that is plants around us. Let us start the lesson plants around us. And yesterday I think you might have written the plants which are grown around us. It is from page number 12. Now I made you write some of the plants, like you can see the chili here. Name these plants. So some of the plants are given here and name these plants. So you can see the chili here. Chili means Kannada Mexican, what we call. With banana you can see banana. Next sunflower. Already yesterday I have written this. Next coconut, mango, pumpkin, beans, brinjal and rice. So in Kannada, for chili it is called Mexican, what we call. Banana means balena. This sunflower means suryapana, what we call. Then coconut, tenginkai, mango, mavinennu, pumpkin, kumbalkai, beans, it is also called beans. Then next brinjal, badnekai, what we call. And lastly is rice. So these are the different plants, names of different plants, and already I made you write yesterday. Now and also I told you to read first one, this chili, CHILLI, chili, CHILLI, chili, BANA, banana, SUNFLOWER, sunflower, COCONUT, coconut, MANGO, mango, next PUMPKN, pumpkin, BEANS, beans, BRINJAL, brinjal, RICE, rice. So already you might have written the names of these plants in your textbook. Now some more plants I will tell you. So here question is in page number 13. Do you know these plants? Do you have these plants in your locality? The question is, do you have these plants in your locality? If yes, put mark in the box. So if these plants are there in your locality, you put mark. So let me tell you really. So you can take pencil and tick mark those which are there in your part, in your locality. Locality means in your surrounding. Understood? Nearby your house. If these plants are there, you must tick mark them in the box here. Understood? Now, first one, tomato. If you are sick, you put right mark in the textbook here. If you are sick, you put right mark in the box here. Understood? Only right mark you put. Then, if you are seeing the, or if this papaya plant is there, you put right mark. Put only right mark here. Understood? Next, this is drumstick. Drumstick means nugekayo. If it is there, or need not put. Understood? Only you put tomato. If it is there, put right mark. And papaya, put right mark. Next, if this plant is not there, you leave. Then radish, you can put right mark in the box here. In fields and all, if you go to field, to your field and all, you can see the radish, how it is grown inside the soil. This white part will be grown inside the vegetable part. It is grown inside the soil, and only this part grow up on the soil. So this is radish. Kannada it is called Molangi watermelon. Next, watermelon. Watermelon, it is upper side it is green color, inside it is red, and you might have tasted it. Understood? Also, you can put right mark. If it is there, you put mark in the column. Otherwise, not necessary. Then, grape plants, if they are there in your field, you can put mark, right mark. Grapes, drakshi, what we call. Next, this hibiscus plant, hibiscus flower. You can see the flowers here, hibiscus flower. So, if it is there, you can put right mark. Lastly, this is, if this plant is there, you can put mark. Understood? So these are the few plants which, if they are there near a house, or you can put mark, put right mark. Now, so tell your friends about the plants and trees you have seen. Now here what you do is only you write down the names of these plants which are there in your locality. Now, do you have these plants? Take down in your classroom, or do you have these plants in your locality? In your locality. If yes, put right mark. Put the right mark in the box. So this is the question. Do you have these plants in your locality? So if yes, put the right mark in the box. Understood? Locality means near your house. If these plants are there in your house, you can put right mark. So only let us write here. First one is tomato. Tomato. Tomato you are seeing, and also you are tasted as a vegetable. This tomato it is used as vegetable. Next, second one, it is papaya. This is the first one is vegetable. This papaya is the fruit. So if you see, put right mark. Understood? If you are seeing, you can put right mark. Next, and also papaya, if you are seeing the plant, you can put right mark. Next, third one, drumstick. drumstick. Drumstick means it is also used as vegetable, and in Kannada it is called gekai. So it is the vegetable, name of the vegetable. So you can, if it is there, put right mark. If in your field or somewhere nearby your house, near your house, if this plant is there, you can put right mark. You can see how the drumsticks are. They are attached to these branches and all. Now next, if you are seeing this radish in your field, also you can put right mark. Otherwise, not necessary. Watermelon. If it is not there, watermelon. If WATER melon, watermelon. In Kannada it is called kallangadi. It is also radish is the vegetable. Radish is used as vegetable. Watermelon it is used as fruit. So this is the fruit. Tomato vegetable. Papaya fruit. Drumstick radish vegetables. Watermelon it is used as a fruit. So such plants are not there in our locality. So we can put a wrong mark. Next, if grapes are there in your locality, in your fields, if you are having these plants, you can put right mark, otherwise wrong. Understood? If these plants are there, you can put right mark. Then one more, lastly, hibiscus, HIBISCUS. Hibiscus means it is in Kannada it is called dashala. Dashala we call it. If you under, it might be some, if not in your house, it may be there in your neighboring's house. Understood? In your friend's house, these plants will be there. So spelling is HIBISCUS, hibiscus. So these are the few plants names which you are going to study from this question, from this page. It is page number 13. And tell your friends about the plants and trees you have seen. If you have seen any plants or the trees in your surrounding, you can tell to your friends the name of the plants to your friends. You can tell them. Now you can write down in your classwork one time, and if you can understand, you will be familiar with these plants. Understood? Now write one time in your classwork. And let me tell you some activity work that is in page number 14. Tomato, papaya, drumstick, radish, watermelon, grapes, hibiscus. So these are the true names of the plants in our locality. Now what you do is some activity work that is from page number 14. Color these pictures and name them. So for your activity work, see you can do it. Color these pictures and name them. The first one is tomato. You can color it with the red and green. Use red and green parts colors to this tomato. And you can see the banana leaf here, red banana leaf, and then color it with the green color. Next one, you know this one. This is the radish, which you call radish, molangi what we call, and you can already they are white in color. Only this one you can write color them with the white color, this green color. Understood? Now this one apple, also use the color yellow or reddish. You can color it with a particular color apple. This is apple. Now here lotus, also you can color use with green color and the remaining part with the particular color. Understood? Now brinjal also color with the purple and green color. Understood? Now so these are the not only one day only you did not draw all the plants here. So every day 2 take two diagrams in one day. You can draw according to your when you are free time. You can color any of the one page. Understood? So every day, if you draw, if you color two diagrams, is sufficient for you to understand. Now, let us come to page number 17. I think this one you might have already colored. Very good. Nice. I can see your colors. Now you might have finished this one writing with where. Now let me rub this one and next question. So, are you there? Present with where? Now, here is one more question, that is page number 17. Page number 17. Match these pictures by drawing lines. Match these pictures by drawing lines. That also you have done. That also you have done. But let me show you on the board here. So match these pictures. So one side, let me and make match these pictures. Match these pictures. Match these pictures by drawing lines. By drawing lines. So first one. This is a question. First one, watermelon. First one is watermelon. Second one, it is rose. R-O-S-E, rose. Third one, groundnut. Groundnut. G-R-O-U-N-D. N-U-T. This is watermelon. Groundnut is called what? Kalagri, what you call it? Watermelon means kalagri. Then kalagri and no. Rose, it is gulabi, what we call it. That's what a rose. In English it is called gulabi. Gulabi. Then groundnut means singa, what we call it. That's what a groundnut singa. Next fourth one, coconut. C-O-C-O-N-U-T. Coconut. Fourth one, coconut. Fifth one, grapes. G-R-A-P-E-S. So one side they have given you name of the fruits. One side they have given the name of the fruits here. So next side they have given the fruits along with the plants. So fruits is the trees they have given here. So let me write this one. This side it is
15 बर्तन होंगे
now here one this side I am writing this coconut tree. C-O-C-O-N-U-T, coconut tree. Next groundnut. G-R-O-U-N-D, N-U-T, groundnut. Then grapes. G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes. Watermelon. groundnut plant, this one grapes plant, then next watermelon plant, watermelon plant, next rose plant, rose plant. Now I told you this one kalangadi hennu, rose means this gulabi puvu, groundnut means sengavari puvu, coconut means tenginkai, and grapes means drakshi flower. Now, so let us match them with the this side fruits are there, fruits names, and these are the plants. Plants, these are the and these are the this plants. This side plants name, the same plants names are given. So let me match them. First one, watermelon, watermelon. So watermelon, watermelon. This way we must match them. This is the fruit and this is the plant. So next rose, rose, rose plant. So next groundnut, groundnut. After groundnut, coconut, coconut. Then last one, grapes, grapes. So in this way, we are supposed to match the pictures by drawing lines. Understood? So this is page number. So you can. So this is about match the following. So you can. Thank you. Now, but now still I will be continuing.